Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. If this is your first time, go ahead, click on subscribe, and then click that bell so you don't miss anything. So far we got 6 solar panels on an off-grid system. The big solar panel over there has an inverter connected to it, which plugs into an extension cord that goes right into the outlet. For this off-grid system, I did get the batteries. I had to add an extra battery to the system. So I got this plywood today. Finally got it looking much better than what it was. It was sitting on 5-gallon buckets and some plywood. So here is the battery bank. 4 batteries at 12 volts. It's really cool. Now this, I got to tell you, I bought it from Harbor Freight for $74. You can get them at eBay for $23 and free shipping. Just letting you know. Save yourself some money. Get eBay and click and find one that's free shipping. Probably the same with that inverter. That's a 3,000 to 6,000 watt inverter, 12 volt. All right. Click and subscribe. Click that little bell, and you won't miss anything. See ya.